Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change OBS save location. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To change the save location for OBS Studio recordings, you can't follow these steps. So the first step would be launch OBS Studio on your PC. In the OBS Studio main window, click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Now, in the Settings window, click on the Output tab on the left sidebar. Now, under the Recording section, you'll find the Recording Path field. Click on the Browse button next to the Recording Path field. Now, navigate to the folder or directory where you want to save your OBS recordings. Choose the desired folder and hit Select Folder or equivalent depending on your operating system. After selecting the new saved location, click Apply at the bottom right corner of the settings window. Then, click OK to close the settings window. Now, OBS Studio will save your recordings to the new path you specified. Make sure to test a recording to ensure that the changes have taken effect. By following these steps, you can easily change the saved location for OBS Studio recordings to a folder or directory of your choice. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.